Samson Mwaura. Tom Mwini. Brian Karanja.
We'll take more time arguing that.
Francis
Let's just argue it and merit. Slip roll.
Peter
Yeah.
Ngirobi.
So yeah, it's fine, but I don't want. But we can join based on that.
Co-President John.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. If it may please you, in the matter, I'm Mr. Abner Mango. Kindly place me on record for the suspects, for the 58 suspects. Your Honor, I do appear alongside Mr. Babu Owino, Ms. Wajira Maina, Mr. James Ongoma, Mr. Nurdin Kagai, and Mr. Kelvin Michuki. Your Honor, the matter is coming up under miscellaneous application. We are ready to proceed.
Your Honor, the matter is Nairobi for the state. I appear alongside Ms. Otisiko. And Ms. Mbao. This application is hinged on Article 49 GHN, and the state is seeking for the continued detention of the suspects for a period of 10 days. The investigating officer who is before the court, Inspector Bondo.
The respondents, after they were arrested, the offense which they committed was within Nginya sub-county. Which involved destruction of property, looting. First we went to Thika police station, threat to safety, order and national security. Your Honor, when the suspects, before they were arrested, they invaded Thika police station. That was around 13:00 hours when they started howling stones and all kinds of projectiles to police officers who were manning Nginya police station. This continued for almost the whole day until in the evening at around 6 when they were reversed by police officers. At during the time they were being reversed, they as well damaged police vehicles, 2 police vehicles. That is GK B792W and GK B837V, Land Cruiser, which they shattered their windscreens. Then after being reversed, they all went in different directions, and most of them, who were numbering around 1,500, managed to enter into Madai supermarket, which they broke the doors, and as well, they injured the workers who had already locked themselves inside the supermarkets. The supermarket is about 400 meters from the station. When we received alert, police officers rushed to the scene and managed to arrest the 58 having robbed, jointly with others who managed to escape. The employees and members of the public.
Perhaps just for the sake of the court getting the proper picture, you have indicated to court that these respondents attacked the police station at about 1300 hours. What time were they allegedly at Madai supermarket, and what time were they arrested, and how were they arrested?
They were arrested at around 20:00 hours. And how they don't fear police officers. They also claim that they can also fight back and they are ready to be defended.
Objection, Your Honor, that line of submission in the application is not grounded in the application. It's submitting from the dock. We have not seen any such submissions in the face of the application.
I was a eyewitness, and I will also testify before court.
Then if he's willing to be cross-examined, then very well, we'll take that line.
So, Your Honor, I have compelling reasons as to why they should be detained, because none of them we have known is abode, his place of residence. And for these offenses that are so serious, we need more time to investigate thoroughly so that we may preserve the charges, record statements from various witnesses who have not yet turned up but have reported to the station. We also need to get an audit report from Madai supermarket for the items and goods which were looted.
Are you talking of audit or inventory?
Inventory plus audit of items.
So, Inspector, is it your assertion that these suspects were arrested inside the supermarket?
That is true.
It's terrible juice. It's terrible juice.
Now, this supermarket being a private property, does it have any CCTV footage or any such?
Yes.
If you have questions, we cannot cross-examine so many. What do we do?
Is that all, or is something else that you wish to add?
That's all.
Then just for purposes of good order and sanity of record, I just want to get clarification whether my colleagues wish to cross-examine me, and then we submit.
Yes,
and
yes.
then they cross.
No, we cross-examine. It's part of cross-examination. It's part of cross-examination. Good afternoon, Mr.
Bondo.
Mr. Jarius Bondo. Yes, I'll ask you a few questions. I hope you have the application with you. What are the orders that you seek in your application, the instant application?
I'm seeking for the suspect to be retained at the police station for 10 days.
I want you to have a look at order number 2 as framed. Is in that order ambiguous from the framing of the said order? Order number 2 on your application. It's the same application you have. So what are you asking this honorable court from the face of order number 2?
Retain the suspect.
Where?
The police station.
No, read your application. I draw you to the last sentence. Where exactly do you seek to detain the suspect?
Be detained at the police station.
For 10 days from today at Juja police station. So where exactly?
It is within Juja. That is
So you are not sure. You are not even sure. Thank you. So on to the second question. On to the second question. You are part of the investigating officers in this matter.
Yes.
Did you take time to ascertain the age of the 58 respondents?
Yes, I did.
Can you affirm to this court whether or not they are all of majority age?
All of them, there is none who is under 19 years.
I wish to draw your attention to the 24th respondent. Mercy Wanjoy, the 24th respondent. Mercy Wanjoy. Did you take time to ascertain the age of the
She
24th?
told me she's 19 years old.
Did you take time to ascertain this being as an investigating officer?
That is the reason why
An officer of the court.
requesting for more time to investigate.
Investigate or ascertain the age.
I will ascertain when I'm investigating.
So you're doing things the wrong way.
That's constituent.
So I wish to draw you to the contents of paragraph 5 on the grounds in support. You allude to widespread destruction, looting of property, and forcible entry into the station. Have you provided in your supporting affidavit any annexure in support of the same?
We have photographs.
Have you annexed as you stand on the dock?
I will provide them the moment I will be testifying before court after.
So your government under paragraph 5 is premature.
I am requesting time from go and investigate for that and will bring footage.
I will step it up and draw you to paragraph 6, where you said that you have recovered exhibits to mean that they are within your record or custody. True or false?
Yes.
So have you presented before this court any photographs, any inventory of things that you have recovered as exhibits.
I will provide them when.
So you will, futuristic. Sorry?
After investigation,
So at the time of drawing and filing this application, paragraph number 6 is an averment, is a mere allegation. You cannot prove it, that you have the exhibits.
I have the exhibits.
Where are they?
They are the station.
What are they doing there? Yet you have said you have provided exhibits.
This is not, we are not, this is an application of making.
Now, you have averred that due to the activities of Sabasaba, there were reported injuries. True or false?
Yes.
To the police officers?
Yes.
So, is there any medical report that you have presented before this court to ascertain the nature?
Even they are going to be given 50 reforms.
Have you annexed any? From where we stand, can we ascertain the number, nature of injuries?
They have recorded their names in the current book.
My questions are yes or no. Have you annexed any medical reports
Yet
in your application? You have.
Yet
Please draw me to.
annexed.
Yes?
Yes.
You have annexed.
It will be annexed.
So you have
By
not.
the time I will testify.
Thank you.
This is not.
You have alluded while answering to OB reports. Have you provided the OB report numbers?
Okay, it's 29 of.
No, that is for the arrest. I'm asking for the injuries. You've said they are OBs. Have you provided those OB numbers?
I'm yet to record the statements.
So you are yet to do anything
Yes.
rather than arrest. So you have not done
Yeah,
zero
I haven't done
investigations.
anything so far.
You have done nothing so far. Thank you. You want to leave it at that? I'll leave it to my colleague.
Mr. Mbondo,
Yes.
I'll just pick it up from where he left. So you have said that you are here to do investigations.
I'm here to request time to finalize my investigation.
So if you're here to do investigations, where are they arrested?
Because you were arrested on the spot.
What follows? Investigation or arrest? What starts? Do you arrest someone, then investigate, or do you investigate and arrest?
They were demonstrating,
Ah,
and immediately after that, they went to commit an offense.
committed an offense. That is what you're saying. You have talked about an OB number 29, 27, 27, 25, right? Is that OB anywhere in your affidavit? Because that's just a number. Have you shared the same with the court? Do you have a copy of that complaint?
When you request it, we shall bring it.
What follows? What follows? You swear something without an annexure?
The OB is there. It is written.
So we can't rely on that number
You
because
can, because it is there. When
Please.
you request it, if it is requested by court, I will provide.
how do we know that OB is not about a stolen chicken?
That is your assumption. It
No,
is
it's not
there.
an assumption.
It is there.
Anyway, you talk about 1,500 people, right?
Yes.
How did you know the 1,500? Your number, not mine. How do you know the 1,500?
I know how to.
Do you have a list of? Do you have a list
I know
of
how to
them?
estimate. You know
Oh,
how to
estimation.
estimate. It was my
You
estimation.
wanna help you right? So you estimate
It was my estimation.
ulipima na macho.
It's my estimation.
So since you have 1,500 people, do you have a list of them 1,500 people? Because that is a number. For you to come up with a number, you have to have a list of names, right? So you are saying these are part of the 1,500, according to you.
Yes, yes,
Is there evidence to show that there were 1,500?
yes.
Where is it evidence?
The footage,
Point me to the evidence.
footage will be stated.
Or the footage counts, eh?
Yes.
1,500. We're waiting for the footage. Secondly, you talk about a vehicle, 2 vehicles.